Okay, today I want to announce a new project for the channel. This is going to be the most detailed coin pusher how-to video on the internet. We're building a coin pusher. You can see all the parts we got laid out here. This is just a very few of them. This down here is your pusher tray. That's what pushes your coins. There's my detailed plans. Here's the actual motor. And we got LED lights, we got speakers, we got a little stereo amplifier here. We got our skill stop switches. We got our power switches. And this is where the coins are going to go in. This is going to be a 6-part series. So this is going to be the most detailed how-to video on the internet on how to build a coin pusher. There's really not a whole lot out there as far as how to build a coin pusher, even the tabletop, little small ones. And everybody's wanting to know, how do you build that? How do you do that? So we are going to start a series of six videos. My first one has already been, this first episode is done. It's in editing now. And episode 2 is still in production. We still like just a little bit more to get that done. This is the front panel. This is where your coins go in. This is where this is going to cut into. And your stop switch will go here, and your power switch will go here. So we still like this piece to cut out and put on the cabinet, and still got to cut out speaker holes for the top panel. And then episode 2 will be done. Then it will go to editing. So I still have a long ways to go. We'll go into what all pertains to each episode. The first episode is taking your plans from graph paper to a 4x8 sheet of plywood. Not plywood, it's MDF plywood. It's stuff you make speaker boards out, or you make speaker cabinets out of. So that's going to be episode 1. I know I was originally going to have the layout, the cutout, and build a cabinet all in one episode. That's just too long. Episode 1 is already over 30 minutes, so I like to keep them around 30 minutes, 45 minutes at most. So I had to divide that up between episode 1 and episode 2. In episode 2, we'll be building a full-size cabinet. Episode 3, I won't get into too many details right now, but this wood is not enough to complete the whole cabinet. So there is the bottom section, which is called the loot chutes. It's what directs your coins and your chips and stuff into a small area that you can grab out of the front. So we haven't built the loot chutes yet. So that will be in the next episode. And then we got to get it all painted. Going to paint the outsides black. Going to paint the insides white. I think we're going to do blue table runners. That's on each side of the table here. Like this is it'll be on the sides here. That's where you can stack up some of your chips and stuff and try to knock them off and build a big tower on this, and the coins will drop down and you push it off. Anyway, I can't wait to play it myself. I played them before years ago. They had them. I've never seen one at a casino, which I don't go to casinos anymore, but I've never seen one at a casino, but I've seen them at like a gas station, and I've played them before years ago. You just put in some coins, and they might have a few prizes out here on the table. Some cash or watches or whatever, and you try to push them off and try to win them prizes. So back to my sheet here. Let's go to part 3. We'll be installing the pusher tray. That's after we get it all painted. Black on the outside, white inside, and the blue runners. And then we'll install the pusher tray here, install the motor, and then install the side trays. Have to have all that stuff painted up too. Okay, and the next part 4, will be the switches, the buttons, and the power supply, and the LED lights. LED lights right here. We're going to have a lot more. I got LED strips. It's going to be well lit up. This thing is pretty cool. It's going to go on the very top. Let's show you that real quick. That's pretty bright. That's multicolored. Okay, the next part. I had this so messed up anyway, so I wound up going with part 0, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. It's actually going to be 6 parts. So part 5 will be edge banding, hinges, glass, and lights. Part 6 will be wiring it all together and testing. So we got 6 parts, and if one part, like I did on this very first program, I was seeing that it was going to be too long, so if I have to on any of this, I'll have to divide it up some more. It may be 7 parts time I get done, but I don't want my episodes to be too long. So enough rambling on about this, but kind of give you an idea of what's coming up. And this is going to be in production for the whole month of October. Hope to have it done later this month. The videos will be coming out each week. It does take a while to video it, and it does take a while to edit it, and it may actually be a week behind. Actually, I've been working on this for a couple weeks now. Well, at least more than a week. So let's go over here to the cabinet over here, and I'll show you where we are on episode 2, building the cabinet. And I'll show you where we're at right now. So let's go to that. Okay, you can see the top part of the cabinet here. It's full size. I mean, it will take up a little room. So that is where we're at on episode 2. The cabinets come together very nice. Down here's the bottom. The panel that's laying on the side there, that's the front door there. And we built up a very nice base in the episode. Got to start with a really good base. That turned out nice. So the piece I was showing you a while ago goes right in the very top up here. Goes right in here. Be where your coins go. Your switch is going to be over here. Your stop switch is going to be over here. Lights are going to go up underneath it. Probably going to be lights all the way around it here. I got LED strips. And coin pusher tray is going to go right in here. Side tables. Coins come off of here. And down in the bottom, this is what I was telling you about. right down in the bottom down here. This episode's about done, but in the next episode we'll have to start working on putting in the loot chutes. Angle pieces that will come down on each side that will guide your coins and stuff. Right now it'll just dump off of there and be all over the bottom shell. So yeah, it's coming together really nice. I'll show you the back of it. Okay, this is the back of it. See, I don't have enough material to completely enclose it yet, so I'll have to get some more. But that's what it's looking like right now. So I'm going to see if I can't finish up episode 2 today, and then we can move on to the next one. Episode 2 will be coming out next Thursday. So this is going to be a fun project, and it's going to be something that's going to be fun to do.